Welcome to another how-to video from the Green at Kilnwood Vale. In today's video, we'll give you a brief overview of the washing machines provided in our properties. The washing machines will either be freestanding in an airing cupboard in your property, or they will be integrated in the kitchen. There are 4 key parts to your washing machine that you should be aware of: the detergent drawer, the operating display panel, the loading door with door handle, and the service flap. To begin a wash, place your laundry into the drum, taking extra care to remove any loose objects from the pockets. Next, place your detergent in the detergent drawer. The main compartment can be used for detergents, whilst the middle compartment can be used for fabric softener. Now you can select your washing program using the control dial. Once you have made your selection, the program time will be displayed, as well as the maximum load capacity for that program. Lastly, press the start button to commence the cycle. Please remember to carry out regular cleaning of your appliance in between washes, including the drum, detergent drawer, and the drain pump, which can be accessed using the service flap. For more information, please consult the user manual provided at your check-in. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.